Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Wolf here again. Doing another local hike. I'm back with the Middlesex Fells State Reservation again here, right in Stoneham. Not far from home again. Different part this time. We're going to explore the area around one of the towers, things like that. And it seems to be snowing out. It started just as I left the house, so should make the hike that much more interesting. So anyway, let's go at it and see where it takes us. A little bit of a touch of winter magic. I come hiking in through the snow here. Good to finally see some snow falling for a change. Okay, we're climbing up a little bit of a steep climb here. But I think my first stop is going to be the Bear Hill Tower. See if there's anybody up there. If nobody's up there, we'll go up to the top. Take a quick look around. It's been a while since I've been there. And there's the tower. So far it looks pretty quiet up there. And if you're wondering what this big building is, it's a water tank. Used to be a small reservoir here. They decided to turn it into a big tank instead, which is unfortunate, but tower looks quiet, so let's take a trip up there, shall we? Maybe not. It's gated. That's new. Well, that stinks. So I can't go up the tower anymore. Now, whose brilliant idea was this? Ah, man. Oh, well. I was going to take you guys up there, show you the view from up there, but I guess not. Well, with great disappointment that I can't get up the tower like I wanted to do, I'm going to continue my journey. Nice big fat snowflakes coming down anyway, so that makes it better. I have no idea where I'm going to go from this point, but let's see where the trail takes us. Snow's actually starting to come down pretty good at the moment here. I did not expect this. I'm enjoying it though. I just wish I could wear my sunglasses and my mask at the same time because the snow keeps going in my eyes. But the mask fogs the glasses up so I can't see. Oh boy, which trail do I want to take? This one looks more interesting. Take this one. I think under normal circumstances, this would actually be a pretty good view up here. But with the snow, of course, it's all fogged up. Not really fog, it's all the snow falling, but that's what it looks like. Still pretty, though. Now I'm beginning to wonder if I should have brought my snowshoes along. I was not anticipating the snow coming down here. Guess I should have checked the weather forecast. Most people there, as soon as it started snowing, would have turned around and headed back home again. Thankfully, I'm not most people. I'm weird. I'm enjoying this. I love the snow. I just wasn't expecting it, that's all. Too bad it's going to be up in the 40s tomorrow there and all the snow's going to melt again. Can't win. Wish I could present the sounds of nature during this video. All I can present is the sound of highway. Despite that, it's a pretty area. And the snow. Nice touch it adds to the whole thing. I'm really glad I came out here today. Yeah, what you have over here is the sheepfold in the Middlesex Fells. Now become kind of a dog park area. Back in the summer months, come down here, this place will just be loaded with people with their dogs. I think here there's some out there already too. You can see them down there playing with them. I don't know if you can see them with the wide angle view of this camera. It's an interesting place. Yeah, there they are. And this used to be used as a racetrack. I forget what they used to race on them. Some sort of boxes people would build. Unpowered. They come down here. Why these lines are on the ground here. I don't think it's been used for that purpose in years, but that's what it used to be used for. There's a better view of the dog park area and all the activity out there. One of these days I'll have a dog and then I'll have a reason to come here. But for now, just a walk in the woods. Okay, so now we're going to work our way away from the sheepfold and head up towards the reservoirs. And by the way, the name of that racetrack area is trying to come up with Soapbox Derby, and this is actually still part of it here. Very overgrown in this area, but it's still part of it. It's one of the reservoirs. As you can see, it gets much quieter over here. This is more to my liking. We'll make a trip back here at some point in time and do more exploration of the reservoir trail. It's a good 5-mile loop. Today we're just doing a little bit of it. Some outskirts of it here. And nice stepping stones over here. One way of dealing with the mud problem. Put stones in the mud so people can walk on the stones instead. Hello. Hi. You ever get the feeling you're being followed? One point in time, you weren't even allowed on these trails. There was all no trespassing in this area. As you can see from these signs, those rules have changed. Roads are open dawn to dusk. Just stay on the roads and stay away from the water. I can live with that. Some beautiful views of the reservoirs down this way. It's nice to be able to come down here and see them. And here we come up on a pretty good view of the reservoirs. At least one of the reservoirs, anyway. Starting to work my way away from the reservoirs now. Heading back to the main trail system, and then we're going to head back to the truck. A fun walk. I'm up over 4 miles already. So, time to head back now. Hope you enjoyed the adventure so far. Oh, back to the beginning again. Back to the really noisy area. There's Route 93 right there. Almost back to the truck. Almost done with today's hike. Well, that was a good hike. Ended up hiking 4.64 miles according to my fitness tracker. So not too bad. I'm back in the truck, getting ready to head on out. Next stop, I'm going to head over to Rounds Hardware, buy my red top coat if they have it in stock. I don't know, I haven't checked. So we'll find out. And tomorrow's supposed to be up in the 40s, so I'm hoping maybe I'll have a chance to get the trailer frame painted. We'll see. That would be nice to get that part of the project done. But otherwise, we're done another local hike. So I'd love to hear some comments. I'm still looking for suggestions there. If anybody has any places that might be worth visiting locally in northeastern Massachusetts, any suggestions, leave them in the comments below, please. If you're enjoying my videos there, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and anything else. So I hope to hear from some of you. And again, I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.